Question 281. Discuss the role of cloud services in your academic production processes and their advantages. Cloud services play a pivotal role in my academic production processes by providing scalable resources that enhance collaboration and accessibility. For instance, using platforms like AWS or Google Cloud allows teams to store and share large datasets and multimedia resources efficiently. The ability to access these resources from anywhere supports remote collaboration among faculty, researchers, and students. Additionally, cloud services facilitate automated backups and disaster recovery, ensuring that critical academic content is protected. Furthermore, integrating cloud-based tools for data analysis and content creation streamlines workflows, reduces infrastructure costs, and enables rapid deployment of educational materials, ultimately enhancing the learning experience. Question 282. What strategies do you implement to foster a positive team culture within an academic production environment? Fostering a positive team culture is essential in academic production. I implement strategies such as regular team-building activities and open communication channels to promote trust and collaboration. Encouraging team members to share their ideas and recognize individual contributions helps create an inclusive environment. I also prioritize professional development by providing opportunities for training and mentorship, allowing team members to grow their skills and advance their careers. Celebrating milestones, both big and small, reinforces a sense of accomplishment and motivates the team. By creating a supportive atmosphere that values diversity and innovation, we can enhance productivity and job satisfaction, leading to higher quality academic outputs. Question 283. How do you handle conflicting priorities when managing multiple academic projects? Handling conflicting priorities requires a structured approach. I start by assessing the urgency and impact of each project, consulting with stakeholders to understand their needs and expectations. I then prioritize tasks based on alignment with institutional goals, deadlines, and available resources. Utilizing project management tools, I create a transparent roadmap that outlines timelines and deliverables, enabling the team to focus on high-impact tasks first. Regular check-ins ensure that everyone is aligned and can address any emerging conflicts promptly. Additionally, I encourage open communication among team members to discuss workload and resource allocation, fostering a collaborative atmosphere that helps in addressing conflicting priorities effectively. Question 284. Describe the process you follow for conducting risk assessments in academic production projects. Conducting risk assessments in academic production projects involves several key steps. First, I identify potential risks by brainstorming with team members and stakeholders, considering factors like technology failures, regulatory compliance, and resource limitations. Next, I analyze the likelihood and impact of each risk, categorizing them into high, medium, or low priority. After assessing risks, I develop mitigation strategies, including contingency plans and alternative resources, to address potential issues proactively. I also establish monitoring mechanisms to track risks throughout the project lifecycle. Finally, I document the assessment process and outcomes, enabling continuous improvement in our risk management practices for future projects. Question 285. What metrics do you believe are most important for measuring the success of academic production projects? The success of academic production projects can be measured using a variety of metrics. Key performance indicators, KPIs, include project completion rates, adherence to timelines, and budget compliance. Additionally, quality metrics such as user satisfaction surveys, content accuracy, and academic integrity assessments are crucial. Engagement metrics, including course enrollment rates and student feedback, provide insight into the effectiveness of the produced materials. Furthermore, tracking collaboration efficiency through tools like Git and project management software can reveal insights into team dynamics. By combining quantitative and qualitative metrics, I can gain a comprehensive understanding of a project's success and areas for improvement. Question 286. How do you approach integrating new technologies into existing academic production workflows? Integrating new technologies into existing academic production workflows requires careful planning and execution. I begin by evaluating the specific needs of the team and identifying technologies that can enhance productivity or quality. After selecting a suitable tool, I develop a clear implementation strategy that includes timelines, training sessions, and support resources. I involve team members early in the process to gather feedback and address concerns. Pilot testing the new technology in a controlled environment allows us to identify potential challenges before full-scale deployment. Finally, I continuously monitor the integration process, gathering feedback and making adjustments as necessary to ensure a smooth transition and maximize the benefits of the new technology. Question 287. Can you explain how you manage stakeholder expectations during academic projects? Managing stakeholder expectations is critical for the success of academic projects. I begin by establishing clear communication channels and setting realistic timelines and deliverables from the outset. I involve stakeholders in the planning phase to gather their input and ensure alignment with project goals. Regular updates and progress reports keep stakeholders informed and engaged throughout the project's lifecycle. If challenges arise, I communicate transparently about the issues and propose solutions to demonstrate proactive management. Additionally, I encourage feedback and adapt to changing needs, ensuring that stakeholders feel valued and their expectations are met. This collaborative approach fosters trust and strengthens relationships, ultimately benefiting the project. Question 288. Describe your experience with developing academic content pipelines and the tools you used. In developing academic content pipelines, I have utilized a combination of tools like Git for version control, Jenkins for CI/CD automation, and content management systems, CMS, such as WordPress or Drupal. The pipeline begins with content creation, where authors draft materials in a collaborative environment. Git tracks changes and facilitates peer reviews. Once approved, Jenkins automates the deployment process, ensuring that updates are published seamlessly. I also implement quality checks through automated testing to maintain content integrity. By integrating these tools, the pipeline enhances collaboration, reduces bottlenecks, and accelerates the delivery of high-quality academic resources, ultimately improving the overall production process. Question 289. How do you ensure that academic resources are accessible to a diverse audience? Ensuring accessibility involves a multifaceted approach. I adhere to established accessibility standards, such as WCAG, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, during the design and production phases. This includes using appropriate color contrasts, alt text for images, and ensuring that content is navigable via keyboard. I also promote the use of universal design principles, making resources adaptable for various learning styles and needs. Involving users with disabilities in the testing phase provides valuable insights into usability. Furthermore, I ensure that all multimedia content has transcripts and captions, enhancing accessibility for students with different learning preferences. Continuous training for content creators on accessibility best practices is also essential for fostering an inclusive academic environment. Question 290. What role does user feedback play in your academic production process? User feedback is integral to the academic production process. It provides insights into the effectiveness and relevance of the produced materials, allowing us to identify strengths and areas for improvement. I implement mechanisms such as surveys, focus groups, and usability testing to gather feedback from students, faculty, and other stakeholders. Analyzing this feedback helps in making data-driven decisions, ensuring that academic resources align with user needs and expectations. I prioritize iterative updates based on feedback, which fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Engaging users in the evaluation process not only enhances the quality of the final product, but also promotes a sense of ownership and involvement in the academic community. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.